Hey guys, this is Jason, and in this video we'll be looking at 4 of the most successful affiliate channels on YouTube. We'll be breaking down their estimated YouTube earnings and also look at some of the things that they are doing right to get so many views on their estimated affiliate sales. But before we go any further, I would really appreciate it if you would hit the like button and also subscribe if you haven't already. The first channel we'll be looking at is Linus Tech Tips. And to find out how much this channel is estimated to be earning, we'll be using Social Blade. And as you can see, has uploaded 4,892 videos so far and has a massive subscriber count of over 10 million. And this channel was created back in November 25th, 2008. So how much is he actually earning? Well, if we should use the Social Blade YouTube money calculator and estimate that his CPM is $7. And as if you don't know, CPM actually stands for cost per million, and this is the amount of viewers. This is the calculated by every 1,000 views that he gets. So he's getting an estimate of $22,680 per day. Linus Tip though does his reviews in person, and he actually buys majority of the products, or he gets them from sponsors to review. And as you can see, he uses tags to describe the products that he has in his videos. The second channel we'll be looking at is Tech Zone. And let's see how much Tech Zone is actually making. Again, when we'll be heading over to Social Blade. Tech Zone has uploaded just over 500 videos and has a subscriber count of over 2 million. So how much is this channel making? This channel is making roughly $3,248 per day, and $97,440 per month. But the difference with this channel and the channel before is this one, they don't show their face, and this channel reviews a variety of products. As you can see, the average length of their videos are over 10 minutes. And the beauty about videos over 10 minutes and why you are constantly seeing them more and more on YouTube is with a 10-minute video you are able to put more ads on your videos more than a video that is below 10 minutes. And not all of these channels are actually using straight Amazon affiliate, as they have affiliate programs for other websites. The third one we'll be looking at is Future Tech. And how much is Future Tech earning? It's earning roughly $770 per day, and that would be $23,100 per month. and they have uploaded only 50 videos so far. And the last one we'll be looking at is Top 10 Zone. Top 10 Zone again doesn't show their face, but they do voiceovers. This channel is earning roughly $500 per day. And so far they have uploaded just over 360 videos. So how are they getting the videos? Well, first off, you need to sign up to Amazon Affiliate. And when you sign up to Amazon Affiliate, depending on the product that you plan to advertise or do a review on YouTube, you type it in on Amazon and you'd see majority of the Amazon products nowadays have a video in its description. So the thing that you need to do now is download that video and edit it. And the way how you download the video now, you can get a free video downloader. As you see here, I selected one right here. You could download this one. You could add this to your Chrome tool and download that video like this. And edit the video. And the beauty about this, you wouldn't get a copyright strike because you do a voiceover, and you'd also would be using the old video. But having the video is one thing, but you definitely need to know how to do proper keyword research. As you can see here, the keyword tool that I mainly use is TubeBuddy. And the beauty about this tool is it show you the keyword score, if it is a good keyword to target, and also the stats. And it also shows you how much what's the average view a video gets that is using a similar keyword like this. As you can see, this keyword best spot cleaner for a carpet is getting an average monthly search of 12,600. And it's a good keyword to target as there are no other videos that has this keyword in its title. And another thing that I also look at is you can know when a keyword is, if you are able to beat a keyword based on the video length and also how long the video has been out. Because for instance, the top videos here, you can see majority of them have been out for a year or two. So you releasing a new video now and saying in 2020, more than likely you'll be able to beat these guys. And also you need to release a video that is 10 minutes or more. And another thing that I've realized with majority of these channels that do Amazon product review and so on, is they only talk about the pros. You can stand out by talking about the cons. And the thing about a YouTube channel overall, whether it's a review or not, you need to share your point of view. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you. By the way, the main reason for doing videos like this is for inspirational purposes. And as you can see, they have released a lot of videos, so you can know that this isn't easy to reach this level of success. But I hope this video was helpful to you, and I hope that you can draw inspiration from this. If you did, be sure to leave it in the comment area and tell me, or simply click on the like button. And thank you for watching.